A Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde-led bench today appointed judges Arun Bhardwaj and Sanjay Bansal to conduct the two special courts which will now try the Colgate scam-related cases. The two judges will replace Bharat Parashar, who has been conducting the hearing in the cases since 2014. Senior advocate R.S. Chima had submitted before the Supreme Court that the total pending cases in the Colgate scam was about 41 and that two special courts would be needed to handle the pendency. The Supreme Court on March 15th had asked the Delhi High Court to recommend names of absolute integrity and utmost caliber for the position of the judges who can try the pending cases of the Colgate scam. The Supreme Court had also taken note of the fact that Parashar had been acting as a special judge since 2014 and it was time to replace him. Supreme Court today also stayed the Karnataka High Court order which had reinstated a land denotification charge against the Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa. The case dates back to 2011 complaint alleging that Yediyurappa and another minister, Katta Subramania Naidu, misused their positions to allow the release of over 24 acres of government-acquired land in North Bengaluru to private persons, causing a loss to the state exchequer in the bargain. The Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde-led bench issued notice in the matter and had also stayed the Karnataka High Court order. However, Senior Advocate K.V. Vishwanathan, appearing for the Chief Minister here, pressed for an interim order of stay. At this very point, the Chief Justice remarked that he was so anxious to get an interim order that he did not hear the bench granting an order in his favor and thereby staying the Karnataka High Court order. The central government today urged the Supreme Court to accept the seal cover report submitted by a former Supreme Court Judge, Justice D.K. Jain, headed panel in the Indian Space Research Organization espionage case. The central government has batted for strict action against the delinquent police officials who had attempted to frame scientist Nambi Narayanan in case such a recommendation has been made in the report by Justice Jain. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta had mentioned this very matter at 11 a.m. today when Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde-led bench sat for the hearing. However, the Chief Justice said that he is not doubting the importance of the matter, but that the matter could wait till next week. Supreme Court of India bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde on Monday remarked that the 2008 Bengaluru blasts accused Abdul Nasir Modani was a dangerous man. The three-judge bench headed by the Chief Justice of India was hearing an application by Modani seeking transfer to Kerala since the trial in his case was pending since 2014 and that the respondents had submitted that the trial would be conducted and completed within 4 months in 2014 and that the trial was even pending now. The matter has been kept for next week after Justice V. Ramasubramaniam stated that there is a chance that he might have appeared for the accused in the case. Well, that's all from Supreme Court today. Do stay tuned with Supreme Court today tomorrow as well. And don't forget to like and share baranbench.com.